Okay, so today we are going to discuss about remaining elements of HTML. Okay, so we can start with the today class HTML header elements. HTML headers. Okay, so HTML headers are defined with H16 to H6 tags. HTML headings are defined with H1 tag to H6 tags. Okay, so H1 tag, H2 tag, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Okay, so these are the six type of headers available in HTML. Okay, so these this H1 to H6 tags are used to define headings. Okay, when you define the paragraph, we can define the headings and followed by the content. Okay, H1 defines the most important heading. H1 tag defines most important heading, and the H6 tag defines the least important heading. Okay, H1 tag, H6 tags, so up to 6 tags. So these header tags are used to define headings. uh, so an example on these headers. So just create one HTML form, that is headers, header elements dot html. Okay, just copy this one, paste here. So remove this content. So this is our HTML sample basic tags. So in the body tag, so I want to display some paragraph. Okay, so this paragraph contains, okay, this is the content to display in the paragraph. Okay, this is the content in the paragraph. So just run this example. Okay, header elements. Okay, so we can see here, wait 1 second. So remove these tags. Okay, this is the content, h1 to h6 tags. So refresh this one. So this is the content displaying in browser paragraph. So we want to add header to this paragraph. Okay, so we can use h1 tag or h2 tag or h3 or any type of heading. Up to 6 tags we can use. Okay, you can see here h1, h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6. Okay, so first of all use h6 and h1 html headers. Okay, this is the heading. So save this file and run this example. Okay, this is the h1 tag, and you can see this font size is 2em. Okay, 2em means uh, 1 em is equal to 16 pixels. Okay, so this font size is 32 pixels. So like this we can use h1, h2, h3, h4 and h6. So now update this with h6. and you can see the difference here. Okay, this is the least important heading and H1 is the most important heading. Okay, like this you can define 6 type of headings. Use H3 heading and refresh. Okay, this is H3 heading. Okay, so after headers we can move to HTML links. Okay, HTML links. So links are defined with a tag. Links are defined with a tag. So nothing but hyperlinks. So these hyperlinks are used to links are used to redirect redirect from one page to another page within the application, within the same application, or you can redirect from one website from one website to another website. Okay, so we can redirect from one page to one website to another website, or we can redirect from one page to another web page within the same application. For example, here GoToMeeting or Gmail you can use. So click here. So my account, admin center, betas, supports, all these are different pages within the GoToMeeting application. Okay, you can click here any one of the link, you can redirect to that particular page within the application. Okay, so if you want to redirect from one website to another website, you have to include the link to redirect to the another website. Okay, links for syntax for links: use a tag, starting tag and ending tag. So this is the hyperlink. href attribute is used to provide the uh, URL. Nothing. URL means website URL or another page URL within the application. Okay, target. So target tag is used to open the link. Open the link in the same tab or another new window. Okay, target has two values, that is uh, target blank. Blank. If you use this target blank, so the link you will open in another new tab. Okay, if you use this target parent, the link is open in the same tab only. And here link text. Click here. So here is the path, nothing but URL. So this is the syntax for hyperlinks. So one example on links. Just I want to add one link here. Okay, so go to Yahoo website. Okay, so in the starting tag use href and Yahoo website URL is, just take it yahoo.in. Okay, so copy this URL and paste here, and use target. Target blank. So if you define this target equal to blank value, the Yahoo website is open in another new tab. When you click on this link, save this and run this example. Okay, here our hyperlink. So click on this link. So the link Yahoo website is open in another new tab. Okay, for example, if you want to open the Yahoo website within the same tab, okay, use this parent. Okay, so click here. Okay, the website is open in the same tab only. So that is the difference between parent and blank. So this is for open another website. So now I want to redirect from headers elements.html form to image.html form. So just update this URL, otherwise add one more link here. Okay, so go to image page, within same application. So just image.html. Okay, just uh, provide the form name here. Okay, in href attribute. So break tag is used to display these two hyperlinks in different new line. Okay, so click here. The image form is open here within the same application. Okay, so if you update this, uh, instead of parent, you can use blank to open in the new window. So this is the hyperlinks in HTML. So next, HTML attributes. Okay, HTML attributes. So HTML attributes can have attributes. HTML elements can have attributes. Okay, so attributes, using attributes, so we can provide additional information about an element, about an element. Okay, additional information nothing but here you want to display image. Okay, so just assume that you want to display image in the web page. Okay, in the browser. So use just image tag, okay, to display image in the browser without using source attribute, height and width and alternate attributes. Okay, without these attributes we can't display image in the browser. Okay, right? So this is the image tag. So we need to provide the additional information for this image tag. So the additional information is which image you want to display. So we have to provide the image path, and uh, and height and width also we have to provide. And with, if you don't have the image, which text you want to display, okay, you have to provide that one also here. Okay, this is the additional information for the HTML elements. Okay, any type of element, so we can provide the additional information. So with the only image tag, we can't display image in the browser. So that is HTML attributes. So we can provide additional information about an element. So the additional information, like we can provide ID, name, style, okay, source or height, width, href, and class. Okay, um, so and so number of attributes is there. Okay, like a target, okay, alt. So like this number of attributes is there. So using these attributes we can provide additional information for the HTML elements. Okay, so all these attributes are used to provide the information for the HTML elements. So these attributes are always specified in the starting tag only. So always attributes specified in the starting tag only. Okay, starting tag only. So you can observe here in hyperlink. So we have starting tag, okay, and ending tag. So two tags for the hyperlinks, starting tag and ending tag. Between these two, this is the link text. So we have to provide the attributes in the starting tag only. So we cannot provide these attributes in the end tag. Okay, so you have to observe this one thing. And attributes come in name and value pairs. The attributes name and value pairs. This is the attribute name and this is the value. So this is the attribute name and this is the value. So attributes are name and value pairs. Next one, so formatting elements. Formatting elements. So formatting elements are designed to display. Formatting elements designed to display special type of text. Special type of text. Like you want to display italic text or bold text or deleted text. Okay, so you want to display like text like this, we can use this formatting elements. Okay, formatting elements are bold, and second one italic, and third one marker text, and fourth one small text, fifth one deleted text, and sixth one mm, inserted text, and seventh one superscript and subscripts. Okay, these are the different type of formatting elements available in HTML. Okay, to display bold type text format, use B tag only. Okay, bold type text defined and with B tag. Okay, B tag. And italic text format defined with I tag. Okay, starting tag and ending tag. For each and every tag, starting tag, ending tag is there. So for example, so create an HTML form, formatting elements, .html, copy this, okay, copy this code and remove this. So okay, we can use this paragraph. So just remove this anchor tags. Okay, now in our example, so just displaying, okay, paragraph. Okay, run this example first. You can see this paragraph content is displaying. For example, we want to display bold type text for this header, okay, HTML header. So use B tag to display bold text. Okay, so now run this example. You can see here this text only bold, and from here this is normal text, this is bold. And also you can use strong element also to display bold type text format. Strong also is used to apply bold format. Okay, same, go to inspect and you can see here strong, and you can update here. So B also same. Next, italic text format. Okay, you want to display italic text format, just use I tag. So here this content only I want to display italic text format. H6 tag defines least important heading. Okay, use here I tag. Okay, I tag, starting I tag and ending I tag. So save this file, run this example. You can observe here only this part is italic text format. Okay, this is normal text. Okay, normal text format, and this is italic text format, and this is bold type text format. And next one, marker text. Okay, to highlight the content in the paragraph or any content, to highlight the content, we can use mark tag. Okay, so mark tag is used to highlight the content. So here just I want to highlight this word only, two words most important. So I want to highlight these two words only. just use mark tag. Okay, so now save this file, run this example. You can observe here the most important heading. Okay, only these two words are highlighted. Okay, mark tag is used to highlight the content. Next one, small text. Small tag is used to display small text content. Okay, so actually this is the uh, content. Okay, paragraph content is okay, this is normal font size. Okay, uh, you want to display just small text. Okay, instead of this normal font size, you want to display small text, use small tag. Okay, just create another paragraph. This is my small tag example. Okay, so just I want to display these two words in small. Use small tag. Okay, these two words only will display small text. Okay, you can see here. So this is only small text. Okay, this is normal font size and this is small text. Next, deleted text format. Deleted text format defined with DL tag. Okay, and use it to apply, use it to display deleted text. Okay, format. uh, so apply hoverline. Hoverline in the text. So create here one more paragraph. This is deleted text example. Okay, this is paragraph. This paragraph contains this text to display. Okay, just use DL tag here to display deleted text. Okay, the DL tag apply hoverline to this particular content. Okay, so hoverline is applied for this word only. Okay, next, inserted text. So inserted text defined with ins tag, use it to display inserted text format. Okay, so this will apply underline. Okay, underline. So here take one more paragraph. This is inserted text format. Okay, so just use ins tag. Okay, so underline is applied to the only these two words because we applied ins tag to these two words only. Okay, this is inserted text format. Superscript and subscript are used to display like a 10 square, okay, 10 cube, numbers like this. Okay, just in this paragraph I want to display 10 square. Okay, just use 10 to. Okay, in the same line these two values are displayed. Okay, so but I want to display 10 square. For this use sub tag. Okay, sub tag to display 10 square. Okay, the value is displayed in the top of the value. Okay, so this is the one format. And subscript also same like this. This is display the sub. Okay, the value is display like this. Okay, these are the formatting elements in HTML. Okay, use these formats to display different special type of text formats. Okay, so next one is comments in HTML. Comments in HTML. So these comments are used to include the code description. Comments are used to include code description. Code description are you can insert the comments in the source code, and the comments are not displayed in the browser. Displayed in the browser. And the comments are used to explain our code. Use it to explain our code. Okay, so in real-time applications, so this is must and should. You have to write the comments for our source code. Okay, to understand the another developer, and okay, you have to explain the code. Okay, what is the purpose of the code. Okay, so that another developer can understand what you written in that functionality. Okay, what is the use of that functionality. So in real-time applications this is must, the comments. And if you don't want to uh, run some block of code, if you don't want to execute some block of code, you can put that code in comments. Okay, if you don't want to execute some block of code, you can put that code in comments. In future, if you want to use, you can uncomment that code. Okay, so that is the uses of comments. So comment syntax is HTML comments start with comment tag, start with this symbol, okay, and end with hyphen hyphen and greater than. So this is the end symbol of comment element, comment syntax, and this is the starting tag. Okay, use this syntax to include the code description. So in this example, just use I don't want to display these two paragraphs. Okay, so just use comments. Okay, so now browser will not execute these two paragraphs. Save this and run this example. Okay, so go to inspect and you can see, so these two paragraphs is in commented. Okay, you can see, so commented code will display in green color, so always in green color. So browser will not execute this commented code. Okay, next, like this you can comment the code. Otherwise you can insert the code description using comment symbols. Here we discussed about HTML formatting elements. Okay, so like this you have to explain your code so that another developer also can understand the what is the use of this code. Okay, so like this you have to insert the comments. So this is the usage of comments. Next, HTML tables. HTML tables. Tables are defined with the table tag. HTML tables are defined with the table tag. Okay, so tables are divided into rows and columns. Table are divided rows and columns. Okay, rows and columns. So rows defined with the tr tag. Rows are defined with the tr tag, and columns are defined and with the td tag. Okay, to define the or to specify the rows and columns in table, okay, use tr and td tags. Okay, in the between table tag we have to use tr and td tags. So table rows are divided into table data with the td tag. Okay, so syntax for these tables: table tag, okay, starting tag and ending tag. So between these two tags, use tr tag. Okay, in the table, okay, this is one table. Okay, this is one table. Now I want to create the table with 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, just imagine 2 rows and 3 columns table. So this is one row. Okay, so we have to split this row into 3 columns. td. Okay, this is one column, this is second column, this is third column. First row with 3 columns. Okay, and next this is second row, 3 columns. Okay, our example is table with 2 rows and 3 columns, right? So this is one row and this is one row. Okay, 2 rows and 3 columns. So like this we have to define the table in HTML. So just create one HTML form, tables.html. So copy this, in the body tag. So just we want to display table. Okay, tr td. Okay, so like this we have to define. So table rows are divided into table data with the td tag. So just I want to display employee information. Okay, emp id, emp name, and email. So employee information here, emp001, and employee name is Harsha, and employee email id harsha@gmail.com. Okay, so just run this example at tables.html. You can see here. So this is only column names, and this is the information of employee. So like this you can add number of employees information, okay, using table row and columns. Okay, so you have to update this data. In td also you can add one more table. Okay, in td also you can add one more table. So just I want to display another table here. With the 2 columns. Okay, column 1, and here column 2. Okay, this in this table, okay, third column, okay, table is added one more table with one row and two columns. In final, last column, in last column we added one more table with two columns. Okay, next, list tags. List tags. uh, so we have two types of list elements. We have two types of list elements. Two types of list elements. So those are ordered list and unordered list. Okay, these are the two list elements in HTML. So ordered list and unordered list are used to display list of items in the browser. Okay, ordered list typically number list of items. A type attribute can be added to an ordered list. Ordered list typically is a numbered list of items and type attribute can be added to an ordered list. Okay, so use HTML OL tag, okay, to define another order list. Tag is used to define ordered list, and use the HTML type attribute to define the numbering type. Use HTML type attribute to define numbering type. Okay, number type attribute can accept the values like type, numeric values can accept, and alphanumeric values can accept. Okay, lower and upper alphanumeric values can accept. Type attribute can accept upper Roman and lower Roman values can accept. Okay, so all these are can accept type attribute. So syntax for this ordered list: OL tag, LA tag is used to insert the list items in the ordered list. LI tag is the list item. Okay, list item. LI tag is the list item. For example, you want to display number of cities, okay, collection of cities like Hyderabad. Okay, Pune. another LI, another city Bangalore. Okay, Chennai. So like this you can display list of cities using order list, and also we can use type attribute for order list to display numbering. Okay, numbering list of items, numbered list of items. You can use 1 or small a or caps A or upper Roman or lower Roman values, okay, to style the list of items. Use this type attribute to make it, okay, numbering number styles. Just create one HTML form, order list, just list elements dot html. Just copy this, okay, and add this example. Okay, so take one header h2 list of cities. Okay, so this is the header for this order list. So list of cities are displaying here. So run this example. Okay, you can see here list of cities. So list of cities are displaying as list items. Okay, first one Hyderabad, second one Pune, and third one Bangalore, fourth one is Chennai. So this 1 2 3 4 is applied using type attribute. Okay, we define this type equal to 1, so that's why numbers are applied. Okay, if you define here upper Roman value, okay, caps I, so it will take upper Roman values. Okay, you can see upper Roman values. For example, you want to display uh, alphanumeric values, small a or caps A, you can use. Okay, small a b series is applied. Okay, just use first value, so all values are applied automatically for the list items. Okay, so next one is another list. So another list start with UL tag list, start with the UL tag. Okay, and each list item list items start with the li tag. Li tag. So UL tag defines another list. Defined and another list. Another list. So another list by default take the bullet styles. Okay, for list items it will take bullet styles. So use the UL tag together with the li tag to create another list. HTML style attribute to define the bullet styles. HTML style attribute to define bullet styles. Okay, bullet styles. So we have four types of list style types. We have four types of list style types. Here list style types, and those are list style type colon disk. This is bullet styles, and second one is style type circle. Third one is list style type square, and the fourth one is, if you don't want to apply any style, use this value none. Okay, these are the list style types available for unordered list. Okay, for ordered list we can apply upper Roman and lower Roman values, and numbers and alphanumeric values. So in this example only, just take another h2 tag, list of cities using unordered list. So list of cities using ordered list. So just use same okay. So here we can use style attribute, okay, and list style type property, okay, disk. So circle, okay. Now run this example. Okay, you can see for list items circle style is applied, okay, and instead of circle use square, okay. Squares is applied, okay, square styles, and use disk, okay. Bullets is applied, okay. And if you don't want to apply any style, just use none, okay. Only list of cities will display without any style. So if you don't want to use this style, okay, remove this one, just run this example, okay, without any style attribute. So by default, okay, sorry, this is ul tag, right? Another list. So now by default another list takes bullets, okay, without any style attribute. By default it will take bullet styles, And if you want to apply this another styles, use style attribute. Okay, list style type circle. Okay, so like this we can use this order list and another list in HTML to display number of list items in different list styles types.